get to know what was above the waves. Had to wait until her 55th birthday. She looked around and saw a large ship. A prince stood aboard and he made her heart skip. He looked so handsome and so very brave. But then came along a massive wave. The ship was hit and started to sink. The mermaid dived down, no time, no think. She gripped the princess so very, very tight and got him safely to the shore that night. The little mermaid wanted to relax, so she could walk, run, and dance instead. She drank a magic potion and leg appeared. Her beautiful tail had no disappear. When she swam to the shore, who did she see? Yes, her prince was there, but looked lonely, staring out to sea to find the one who saved him. When he saw the little mermaid, he started to dream. They were so happy, had a big wedding day. On the beach, mermaids watched from the waves. They lived happily ever after, and they knew the love was so strong and so very true. What shall we do? 3, 4, measure and pour.